Question number 26. Example of hardware are: A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Printer, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 27. How many types of software are there in computer system? Your option are: A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct answer is B. 2. Question number 28. FIFO stands for? Your option are: A. First interface opening, B. First in first out, C. First instruction first operation, D. None. Correct answer is B. First in first out. Question number 29. How many types of memory are there? Your option are: A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 5. Correct answer is B. 2. Question number 30. How many types of RAM are there? Your option are: A. SRAM, B. DRAM, C. Both, D. None. Correct answer is C. Both. Question number 31. Can hardware work without device driver? Your option are: A. True, B. Most of the times, C. Sometimes, D. False. Correct answer is D. False. Question number 32. Shortcut key of folder creation is? Your option are: A. F2, B. Ctrl plus C, C. Ctrl plus Shift plus N, D. Control. Correct answer is C. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Question number 33. Shortcut key to shut down computer is? Your option are: A. Alt plus F4, B. Ctrl plus F4, C. Shift, D. All. Correct answer is A. Alt plus F4. Question number 34. Which shortcut key is used to refresh computer? Your option are: A. F4, B. F5, C. F6, D. F7. Correct answer is B. F5. Question number 35. Which of the following is the example of OS? Your option are: A. Windows, B. Linux, C. MS-DOS, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 36. Which of the following is the example of volatile memory? Your option are: A. SRAM, B. DRAM, C. ROM, D. Both 1 and 2. Correct answer is D. Both 1 and 2. Question number 37. What is the use of Ctrl plus Z? A. For copy, B. For paste, C. For undo, D. For delete. Correct answer is C. For undo. Question number 38. What is the use of Shift plus Delete? Your option are: A. For permanent delete, B. For temporary delete, C. For backup, D. None. Correct answer is A. For permanent delete. Question number 39. Ctrl plus C used for? Your option are: A. Cut, B. Copy, C. Paste, D. Undo. Correct answer is B. Copy. Question number 40. What is the shortcut key of select? Your option are: A. Ctrl plus A, B. Ctrl plus B, C. Alt plus A, D. Alt plus B. Correct answer is A. Ctrl plus A. Question number 41. Ctrl plus X is used for? A. Cut, B. Copy, C. paste. D. Delete. Correct answer is A. Cut. Question number 42. What is the example of binary number? A. 0 and 1. B. 1 and 2. C. 2 and 3. D. 0 and 1. Correct answer is D. 0 and 1. Question number 43. Bits stand for A. Binary digits. B. Bits digits. C. Binary file. D. None. Correct answer is A. Binary digits. Question number 44. The BCD uses how many bits? A. 6 bits. B. 8 bits. C. 32 bits. D. 128 bits. Correct answer is A. 6 bits. Question number 45. Which of the following is the logic gate? A. And. B or C not. D all of the above. Correct answer is D all of the above. Question number 46. The two kinds of main memory are A. CD and DVD. B. RAM. C. Primary and secondary. D. All of the above. Correct answer is B. RAM. Question number 47. OS is the example of A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Both A and B. D. Memory. Correct answer is B. Software. Question number 48. The main memory of computer is also known as A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Internal. D. None. Correct answer is A. Primary. Question number 49. Email stands for A. Eject mail. B. Enter mail. C. Electronic mail. D. All. Correct answer is C. Electronic mail. Question number 50. Gmail stands for A. Global mail. B. Google Mail. C. Gamble Mail. D. Great Mail. Correct answer is B. Google Mail.
Question of the day. Keyboard is the example of A. Input device. B. Output device. C. Memory device. D. Processing device. Please leave correct answer in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.